it's Jeannie here and welcome back to my channel. So we're about to head into CVS and I'm going to show you guys the deals that are starting on August 5th through the 14th. No, is that right? Oh my god, let me check my calendar. So we're doing the deals for August 5th through August 11th. I was getting a little ahead of myself. So it is my parents' birthday this weekend. So my dad's birthday is August 4th and my mom's birthday is August 5th. So if you would like to wish my parents a very happy birthday, just leave it in the comments and I will be seeing my dad on Saturday. So I will share it with him. And I'll just remind you that my mom is the original couponer and she has taught me everything that I know. So if you guys want to wish them a happy birthday, just let them know in the comments below. So the first deal I'm going to share with you guys is on Covergirl Cosmetics. So Covergirl Cosmetics is on a buy two, get $6 back in extra care bucks. So these are going to be regular price. So if you have the email percentage off coupon, you can use it here. Now we have those printable coupons. So there was a 3 off 1 any Covergirl Cosmetic. There was insert coupons for Covergirl Cosmetic in the 7/29 Smart Source. So there are many scenarios you can do. And then you can also pair this 3 off 15 CVS CRT if you got it for Covergirl Cosmetics. Some of us got a 5 off 20. I got a 5 off 20, but then this one printed out, it's a 3 off 15. You can stack this with a cosmetic CRT. So if you get a 3 off 12 CRT for cosmetics, you could stack it with this 3 off 15. If that makes any sense. And one of you guys had asked what a CRT is. Basically, a CRT is a CVS coupon that's going to print at the CVS red box. So what you do is you scan your CVS extra care card, or you can enter your phone number associated with your account, and then you're going to get a bunch of coupons that print out. So this is what a CRT is. So a few of you asked me what a CRT is. So in this scenario, you can go ahead and buy 2 Covergirl products. If you want to go freebie, go for the brow pencils. I highly recommend these Healthy Vitalist Glow highlighter illuminators. I did a makeup tutorial using these, so if you want to check out that makeup tutorial, check out the video linked below. So I did use these. I picked these up last Sunday, so I would highly recommend these guys. But like I said, if you want a freebie, you can go ahead and go with the brow pencils, but I really would urge you guys to try some new things out from the Covergirl line. So the printable coupons on coupons.com did reset, so I'll have those linked below in the description box. You definitely want to go and print those and hang on to them for Sunday, because you never know when those coupons are going to go away. So print them in the description box and hold on to them for Sunday. So great deals at CVS on Covergirl Cosmetics. So just to go ahead and do like an easy breakdown for you guys, if you bought 2 of these guys, they're $11.99 each, so you'd buy 2 of them for $23.98. You can use 3 of those 3 off 1 printable coupons that are linked below, so you'll take $6 off. So let's see, 12 minus, so then you'd be at $16.98. And then if you have a 3 off 15 CVS CRT for Covergirl, then you're down to $13.98. and then you get a $6 extra care buck back. So now you're at $7.98 for 2, and then if you have a percentage off coupon, then you can go ahead and take a little bit extra off, and then if you have additional CRTs, you can take additional off. But you don't have to do this, guy. You could do the free brow pencils, that's totally fine. But if you want to try something new, I highly recommend this. And I also recommend the Covergirl Vitalist Glow Luminizing Lotion. I use this in my tutorial as well. So wow, I need to get a thumbs up for that fast math. I did all of that math like right in my head. So I think you guys should click that like button just for that quick math I just gave you guys. Okay, so the next deal is going to be on Physicians Formula Cosmetics. So this week they're buy 2, get $10 back in extra care bucks. And if you guys got this 8 off 20 CVS CRT, definitely use it here. So what you could do is buy 2 of these cat eyeliners. They're $10.99. So buy 2 of them for $21.98. And then you could go ahead and use this 8 off 20. So now we're down to $13.98. Then you get back that $10 extra care bucks, so it makes 2 of them just $3.98 for both of them. And if you have an additional cosmetic CRT, you can use it here. So if you have a 3 off 12 cosmetic, you could stack this guy, then it would be 98 cents. And then if you have a percentage off coupon, then you're going to shave off a little more. The only thing that this deal excludes is those bottles of eye makeup removers. So you don't have to get the eyeliner, you can get the lippies that I highly encourage you do. So I did do a video on drugstore lip products that I recommend. I'm actually wearing the Nut Richest Healthy Lip by Physicians Formula, so I highly recommend this one. If you want to check that video, it'll also be linked below if you need some ideas on what to grab. Okay, so Nexus is on a spend 20 get 10, and I actually really enjoy this conditioner. This is the Hydrolyte Deep Sea Minerals. I'm actually completely out of this guy and I want to buy another one, so I'm glad this rolled around. It's perfect timing. So this guy is priced for $21.49. Now if you got a CRT for 4 off 18 of hair care, so I was actually lucky enough to get that CRT. It's the 4 off 18. So I'm gonna pay $17.29, and then I get back that $10 extra care buck, so it makes it $7.29. Now this is going to be a regular price item, so if you have a CVS or if you have an email coupon, definitely use it here. If you got that 4 off 30 coupon that printed at the end of your receipt, this would be a good place to use that coupon as well, so you'll have a higher total when you do the Nexus. So what you could do, if you have that 4 off 30 CVS coupon, it's a 4 off 30 coupon that printed at the end of our receipts. You could pair the Nexus deal with a Physicians Formula deal or a Covergirl deal. So basically you just need to get your total to $30, and then you can take an additional $4 off. So I think that this is a great time to try Nexus. So I am so excited this deal rolled around, because literally I ran out yesterday. Okay, so we have a nice little deal on UI Kotex here at CVS. So they're on a buy one, get one 50% off sale, and when you spend $15 or more, you're gonna get $3 in extra care bucks. So what you wanna do is buy 4 of the 18 packs. So these guys are $4.99, so buy 2 of them regular price, and then get 2 more, they're gonna ring up 50% off. So your total is gonna get to $14.97. That should trigger the extra care buck for you guys. And then what you wanna do is use 2 of the 3 off 2 coupons that came in last week's Retail Me Not. So you're going to take $6 off. So you're at $8.97 that you're going to pay, but then you get back that $3 extra care buck. So final cost is $5.97 for all 4, or $1.49. Now this is going to be even better if you have a CVS CRT for tampons and pads. So you can do either the tampons, or you can go ahead and do the pads. So I think this is an excellent deal. So head to CVS for your UI Kotex. And this may be a little TMI. Please let me know in the comment section below if you're comfortable enough, or DM me, when did you get your cycle after you had a baby? Because I have yet to get mine. So, you know, I'm in the perfect aisle to ask this question. Yeah, I'm breastfeeding, so I think that that's normal to not get a cycle while you're breastfeeding. I'm pretty sure it's normal, but let me know. Here are the pregnancy tests. Probably not pregnant, but you never know. Alright, so this week we do have a deal on Huggies. So these guys are priced 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. So go ahead and buy 2 of these, so buy 2 for $20, and then you want to use 2 of the 2 off 1 coupons. Now you can use the internet printables that we had, or you can use the coupons from the 722 Smart Source. Thank you, Vicky. Thank you, Deb, for sending those to me. So after those coupons, you will pay $16, but then you earn $5 back in extra care bucks. So final cost is $11, and then if you have a 3 off 15 CRT for diapers, then you're down to 8 for 2 or $4 each. So not the best deal in Huggies, but like I said, if this is your diaper week and this is what you have to work with, you just have a CVS, then get your diapers for $4. So hopefully you have the 3 off 15 CRT if it is a diaper week for you this week. So this week we have a deal on Huggies Wipes. So these guys are priced buy one, get one 50% off, and when you spend $20, you're going to get a $5 extra care buck. So you can, you know, get the single ones that are priced for $3.59. You can go ahead and get the 3-pack. We have some coupons we can work with too. We have $1 off 3 coupons from the 722 Smart Source, or there's a 50-cent printable from coupons.com you can use. So, and then if you have a 2 off 8 CRT for baby wipes, you could definitely pair it here as well. So if you need some wipes to go along with those diapers, then Huggies is a nice option, especially if you have CRTs to to, you know, use up, maybe use them on the baby wipes. But geez, single pack of Huggies baby wipes are $3.59 here, and Target sells them for $1.79. Jeez, it's like half. It's half more expensive here. Is that right grammar? That is not right grammar. It is double the price here at CVS versus Target. That is crazy. Okay, so we have a nice gift card promo. So this is going to be on the Children's Place as well as the Gap, Banana Republic, and Old Navy. When you spend $50 or more, you're going to get a $10 extra care bucks. So it makes this like you're paying $40. So as we walk to the laundry aisle, I think that's a great promo they're running on the Children's Place and Gap and Old Navy, because you can use those gift cards online, you can utilize promo codes online, you can trigger your Ebates and use that gift card online and get some great deals for back to school clothes, get clearance clothes. I don't care what kind of clothes you get, but if you can get a $10 extra care buck on something you're already going to be spending money on, like school clothes, why not come to CVS and get a $10 extra care buck when you buy it? So Arm & Hammer this week is $1.99, and we're getting a $1 off one coupon in the 8.5 Red Plums. That's going to make this guy 99 cents. Now Arm & Hammer also makes a sensitive skin. It says it's dermatologist tested. So if your kids have skin issues, then maybe go ahead and try the sensitive skin. Or if you're like me and if you watched my laundry must-haves, try using this bad boy in your carpet cleaner. I personally don't like Arm & Hammer as a detergent, but I use it in my carpet cleaner. So if I can get 99 cents for laundry detergent, I'm gonna use it for my carpet cleaner if I don't like to use it on washing my clothes. So I actually hate Arm & Hammer laundry detergent, but I will use it in my carpet cleaner. Let me know if you guys like Arm & Hammer, because I don't. So let me know in the comments below if you guys like Arm & Hammer. Maybe someone out there does. So we have a nice deal on the Tide Pods. These guys are priced for $4.94, and when you buy 3, you're going to get a $3 extra care buck. I missed my breakdown. Okay, so what you want to do is buy 3 of them for $14.82. Use 2 of the 3 off 1 coupons from the P&G, and then send 1 of the 3 off 1 to your CVS app. If you don't know how to use your CVS app, there's a video below explaining everything. So that's how you're going to use 3 of those Tide coupons in one transaction. So you're going to pay $5.82, earn $3 back in extra care bucks. So final cost is $2.82 for 3, or 94 cents each. So Tide Pods under $1 is a hot deal. So head to CVS and make sure you use the 2 manufacturer coupons from the P&G and 1 of the CVS app coupons. Otherwise, you guys are going to have to come to CVS 2 times in 1 week, because you can't use 3 of the P&G coupons the same day. So make sure you're following those coupon rules, people. Yep, you heard me say it. I'm a little bit of a coupon cop, so come on, come at me. Come at me. What? So we have a nice little deal on the Hefty trash bags. So the Hefty trash bags, these guys are on sale for $6.99. Regular price is $7.79. Right off the bat, it's a nice sale price. And if I'm looking at this right, CVS has Hefty trash bags priced for less than Target. I'm pretty sure that Target has them priced for $9.99. I don't understand the pricing with Target and CVS. I do not get it. So anyways, they're on sale for $6.99, and we have a $1 off 1 coupon from the 617 Red Plums. So it's gonna make these guys just $5.99. So it's like 50% off. So great deal there. So this week, the single boxes of Cheez-Its, so this is the small guy. This is the 4.5 ounce, and also the Nabisco singles. These guys are buy 1, get 1 free, and we have a 75-cent off 2 coupon from the 624 Smart Source that you can utilize here. You can use that checkout 51 rebate. There is a $3 back on 3. However, I tried to do that at Target and it cut me out of it. So I tried to do it with the Teddy Grahams in my Target in-store video. I tried to do the rebate and it rejected it. So not sure what that was about. Okay, so the Campbell's condensed soups, these guys are on sale for just 88 cents, and Campbell's is a bonus brand for Fetch Rewards. So if you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, you're going to get bonus points with Campbell's products. So 88 cents, guys, is great because regular price is $2.29. Try to get the cream of chicken or like the cream of mushroom because those are great bases for casserole. So select Kellogg Cereals, these guys are on sale 2 for $5, and we currently have a printable 2 off 4 coupon from coupons.com. So what you could do is buy 4 of them for $10 and then use 2 of these 2 off 4 coupons. So final cost is going to be 4 for $8 or $2 a box, which is great because the regular price on these guys are $4.99 and $5.49 for the family size, but it's the regular box that's included this week. So I think going from $4.99 to $2 is a great deal. So the Nutrigrain Bars, these guys are on sale 2 for $5 this week, and we have a printable $1 off 2 coupon on coupons.com. So again, I'm gonna have all the coupons listed below in the description box for you guys to go ahead and print. These come out to $2 a box when you use that $1 off 2 coupon. Okay, so select General Mills cereals are on sale this week. Of course they're on sale this week because if they weren't on sale, I wouldn't be talking about this promotion. Cheerios are, select General Mills are priced for 2 for $4 this week, and we currently have printable 50 cent off 1 coupons for the Cheerios and 50 cent off 1 coupons for the Lucky Charms. So the Lucky Charms should be included because that was in the picture in the ad. So go ahead and buy 2 of the General Mills cereals. I would suggest 1 of the Cheerios, 1 of the Lucky Charms. So you're going to pay 2 for $3 or $1.50 each, and there's $1 back on 2 on Savings Star, so that drops the price down to 2 for $2 or $1 each, and I think that's great for cereal. Okay guys, so the Crest Toothpaste, this week these guys are on sale for $3, and we have a $2 app coupon that you can send to your app to take $2 off, and when you buy 1 you're going to get a $1 extra care bucks. That makes this guy free, so yay. And if you don't know how to use the CVS app, remember I have a video in the description box that talks all about how to use the CVS app. Now if you already use your app coupon, you could use the $1 off 1 from the P&G, then that'll make this guy just $1. But if you have a CRT for toothpaste, then maybe you can make it a freebie, but hopefully you still have that 2 off 1 that you can send to your CVS card. Okay, so the last deal that I'm going to share with you guys is on the Gillette Razors. So when you buy 2 of them, you're going to get an $8 extra care buck. I love when the $8 extra care buck rolls around. So what you want to do is buy 2. The Gillette Mach 3 is the razor I'm always going to promote because it's the best one in my opinion. So you want to buy 2 of them for $17.98. Use 2 of the 3 off 1 coupons in the P&G from August. So now you're down to $11.98 that you will pay, and then you get that $8 extra care buck. So final cost is $3.98 for 2, or I don't know how much each, maybe $1.49. Does that sound about right? Maybe, I don't know, get your calculator out. I told you to put a calculator in your coupon kit, so get that calculator out. So you're gonna get 2 of them for $3.98, and then it's gonna be even lower if you have a CRT for razors. And if you have a percentage off coupon, now we're probably gonna stop seeing really hot promos on razors because summer is almost over, so we're not gonna be seeing a lot of the razor deals anymore. So if this is a pretty good price in my opinion. So like I said, this is a regular price item, so if you have a percentage off coupon, it's going to shave a little bit more off. So this is the deals I have to share with you guys this week at CVS. So don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out my makeup videos to get some recommendations for the CoverGirl and Physicians formula. So hope everyone has a fantastic Thursday, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.